Hi, welcome to the Shena Simon campus. My name is Bettina Halpin. I'm the DTL here, but I also teach on the courses. We cover lots of different subject areas. We are under the examining board of UAL, and we cover a level 2 to level 3 qualification. We enable you to go into lots of different disciplines, from printmaking to photography to ceramics, and we facilitate you through lots of different areas of thinking and to challenge you through your creativity. We're embedded in the city, so we're connected to lots of the art galleries, and we have live briefs which take place. We're very much part of the creative industry which is taking part in Manchester at the moment, and we are forefronts in it. We're pushing ourselves and we're pushing you to be part of it as well. We can't wait to welcome you to the Manchester College and the City Centre campus. It'll be a great delight to see you here, and it's an atmosphere which is building up of sheer excitement. It's a very energetic campus full of people willing to welcome you in straight away. Well, we really hope you've enjoyed looking around Shena Simon campus and all we have to offer here. It's been a delight to show you around, and we hope you like what you've seen. We're going to pass you over now to the Northenden campus. Have a look round there.
Hi, I'm Clive Mellor. I'm the lead technician for the Art and Design department at the Manchester College. I'm standing in our printmaking studio, and besides that we've got ceramic studios, photography studios, fashion studios, textile studios, 3D studios working in wood, metal and plastic, and jewellery, a whole range of stuff which are all available through timetables to all the students who come here to study with us in the Art and Design department. And we'll show you some of those rooms.
My name's Sadie and I'm a tutor in the Visual Arts department, and I teach on the level 3 UAL qualification art and design. Here at the campus we have some fantastic workshops and access to all sorts of materials and equipment. We have superb metal making facilities. You can work in a range of resistant materials, from ceramics, wood, metal, plastics, all different kinds of plastics, from liquid through to solids, rubbers as well, silicone. We've got hearths for heating and soldering, and we encourage a lot of live briefs, working with events such as Great Northern Contemporary Craft Fairs, that's an annual event each year, and working with community projects as well.
Hi, my name's Karina and I work in the fashion department at the Manchester College. This is called our garment construction room. We work with industrial machinery, so it mimics what goes on in industry. We also use creative pattern cutting to back up our design ideas. So we have the opportunity to express our ideas from our art research-based work in 3D form as well as 2D form. We also have the opportunity to express ourselves within textiles.
Hi, I'm Fiona Donald and I teach on the foundation course in art and design, which is this room here. And today we're doing a mark making workshop where the students are exploring marks as a way of drawing and developing their own visual language.
Hello, my name's Maria and I'm a Visual Arts Head of Department. It's been lovely spending some time with you today, and I'm now going to hand you over to our Openshaw campus.
Hi, my name's Ian Cale. I'm one of the tutors here at the Manchester College, teaching in art and design. We're currently in the manufacturing room of the fashion department here at the Openshaw campus. The manufacturing room covers industrial machines, and we're going to show you shortly into the pattern cutting room. Hello, we're in the pattern cutting room here at the Openshaw campus. We actually do the whole process from design through to cutting and manufacture here at Openshaw with dedicated staff who are experts in the field. We're currently in the art and design studio here at Openshaw. You can study painting, drawing, printmaking, sculpture and textiles, along with other things such as photography. We've got amazing spaces here, really well resourced. We're really lucky to have this amount of space, so you can actually make some quite large work. That wraps up the whistle-stop tour of the facilities here at the Openshaw campus at the Manchester College. For more information, you can log on to the website, and it would be great to see you soon. Thank you.